Hi, I'm Shweta Luhana. I'm an interior designer and an imaginator, but most of all, I'm that dream weaver who listens to all your desires and converts it into a crafted canvas. And here I welcome you to Serendipity Spaces, cause every space has a story to share. So where are we today? Welcome to Tropical Escape, a couple's getaway nest in their very own home. Here we are witnessing a master bedroom in a 30-year-old bungalow, revamped to feel like a vacation space each time the couple retires back to their room from everyday mundane life outside it. So how do we create a space which feels like a vacation suite, yet be their enjoyable cocoon at their home itself? So when Nimish Bhai came to me and he said that he wants a bedroom to feel like a vacation every single day, I was thrilled. So I'm a traveler myself, and here was my chance to use a free hand to as if create my own vacation suite and gift it for like a lifetime validity. So to begin with, the way I decoded this space was to make something which is very modern and minimal, but yes, it should still have an amalgamation of craft, of things which evoke different memories of art, and a little tinge of maybe something inspired from nature which gives it that tropical vibe. So as far as the final space is concerned, it's like an all-white wall room. I've used Steam Beach as a main wood palette. You'll have paneling which is in it. You'll have ceiling with wooden strips into it. The TV wall is something that stands a little contrast. It has a rustic concrete finish to it. The accent element is mainly the color green, be it in the use of the green colored MDF wardrobe doors, or the fully upholstered green velvet bed, which was like a main requirement by the client. So he wanted to be having the bed as the most comfortable furniture element of the room, where he could just lie down as a carefree traveler and enjoy either watching Netflix or indulging into his books. So they have a beautiful lush green extension to this room, and the window seat is developed in a way that maybe during the daytime they can sit over there, sip a coffee, forget about their worries of the day, have friends over in the afternoon, play cards, and when they want to just experience solace, they lift up their curtains and have a view to the garden, listen to music, and feel like a vacation at home itself. As far as my journey of creating this space is concerned, I loved every bit of it, because for the first time someone evoked the traveler in me to create an interior for them. But now let's hear the users share their experience of finally using this space.
બહુ મજા આવી આ રૂમ મને. અમને લોકોને ખરેખર ડે બાય ડે જે રૂમ જે પ્રમાણે ડેવલપ થયો ને એ અમને બહુ જ ગમ્યો. ફિનિશ થઈને આઉટકમ આવ્યું, દેટ ઇઝ એક્સેલન્ટ.
So now when I see them very happily enjoying the space and feeling like travelers every single day, it gives me immense pleasure. And with this, I would want to keep coming back with a new canvas each time, weaving a new memory and maybe creating a new story of it each time. So here's me, Shweta Luhana, signing off on Serendipity Spaces, cause every space has a story to share.